Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the Hospitality Staff Dining Report in Docket. Let's get started. First, sign into your Docket account. Next, navigate to Business Reports from the top menu dropdown. Now, select Departmental Reports from the ensuing options. Within the Departmental Reports page, find and click on the Hospitality House Laundry Expenses Report. Tailor the report to your needs by selecting your preferred time period and revenue sources. Generate the report to analyze key revenue performance indicators and financial accuracy. To download your report, click on the 3D menu on the top right and select Export as Excel. And there you have it. You successfully accessed the Hospitality Staff Dining Report and customized it to your requirements. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.